What's up guys? Ngayong araw nakapaskuhan guys. Panoorin natin yung cover song ng bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung cover song nila ng Jingle Bell Rock. Ayan, napakaganda pamaskong kanta nito. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Ganda naman na areglo nito.
Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time in jingle bell time. Snowing and blowing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air.
Hindi lang sa rock version magaling ang bandang Mission Souls, pati sa mga ganito kalilinis na kanta. Galing nila.
What a bright time, is the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is the swell time to go.
Ang ganda ng tunog ng gitara ni Nisha dito. Kakaiba yung gamit niya effects.
Riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around.
Di ba? Ang cute ng tunog.
The clock, mixing a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Basic na basic lang kaya is tong palo nitong kantan to.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime, jingle bell time. Dancing.
Ayun, may harmony pala sila dito guys. Malupit din sila sa harmony, no? Bandang Mission Souls.
Dancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time.
Si Daddy Second, chill-chill lang sa mga ganitong klaseng tugtugan. Pati si Mami Sheena.
To go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix it a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell.
Abangan natin guys yung kung iba-vlog nila guys yung tugtugan nila doon sa sa bandang Steelheart tsaka sa White Lion. Yan, pagkakaalam ko Protac sila doon eh.
That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.
Ang galing nung katapusan na yan. Merry Christmas, sabi ng bandang Mission Souls.
Jingle bell chime, jingle bell time. Dancing, dancing, Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright
Mission Souls, Daddy Second, bassist mixing engineer. Yan si Daddy Second. Si Mami Sheena na vocalist.
Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding.
Si Naces ang kanilang keyboardist guys. Si Nisha. Ayan ang kanyang nilang lead guitarist.
In a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle
Ayan si Stacy ang lead vocals. Rhythm guitar.
around the clock. Mix it a mingle.
At syempre yung kanilang malupit na drummer. Yan si Ice. Yan guys, so hindi pa nakakilala sa bandang Mission Souls, sa mga bago pa lang na nakapanood sa kanila. And guys, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel guys. Supportan natin ang bandang Mission Souls. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.